Now we have the certificate. Let's start to configure decryption policy. So we need to go to policies and then we need to click on the decryption to create a decryption policy, and we will give them a name decrypt LAN traffic, and you can give them any description. After that, the source will be the LAN, okay, and make sure that everything is any. Destination is WAN1 and WAN2 and DMZ, okay, and URL we just need to choose any right now, and then on the option you need to choose a decrypt and choose the type SSL forward proxy, and decryption profile we're gonna use the default one. You can create your own as well and click OK. Similarly, we need to create a second decryption policy, okay, for some of our URL. So you need to choose the same thing. The only thing in the services and URL category, you need to choose those services which you don't want to decrypt them, such as government, financial services, shopping, etc. Even though there is other method as well for that. If you go to device, okay, and here we have SSL decryption exclusion. So exclusion, there are many already excluded. So you can exclude the URL here to add. It's up to you. Anyway, let's start to create. And when we are done, we need to put the no decryption on the top. So they will not decrypt the financial and government and shopping, and rest of the thing will be decrypted. And then we need to commit the changes to apply the changes. Okay. Even for SSL decryption, we can create the response page. It will show the response page before any user trying to access. It's not required, but if you want them, so you can use this method as well. So let's go to our firewall and our topology HQ firewall. Okay. And we need to go to policy, and under policy, let's go to here decryption. Okay. And let's click on add, and let's create decrypt LAN traffic. And this is the description as well. After that, choose the source. So source will be LAN. Okay. Anybody from the LAN, and they are going destination. Okay. Source address any, source user any, source devices any. Destination, if they want, try to go to WAN1 or WAN2, or maybe you have a server in DMZ, so you can choose the DMZ as well. Services and URL category for any, and option choose action decrypt SSL forward proxy, and we have our default decryption profile. Choose that one. I will show you the profile and click OK. And we are done with the decrypt LAN traffic. However, we need one more decryption policy for exclusion. Okay, so click again here on add. Okay, and maybe I give them a name, no decryption or something. Yeah, so I give them, let's go to which name I give them, so that I can give the same name so you can follow along with me. And the name is no decryption. Okay, so let's go back, and here no decryption. No decryption means for specific services. Source, the traffic will come from LAN, from any source, any user, any device. Destination is DMZ, or it may be WAN1, or it can be WAN2. Okay. However, in the services and URL category, these are the exclusion. So we have government. Okay. We have shopping. Okay. And the last one I want to exclude it, financial, as per your company requirement. So I say for these URL category, don't encrypt the traffic. Sorry, don't decrypt the packet. So what I will choose, no decryption, SSL forward proxy, and default. Never decrypt if the user trying to access any government website, any shopping, or any financial. Okay. And choose click OK. Keep in mind this one has to be on the top. So they will exclude these and rest of everything because we have any. So just choose this one and you can drag them on the top. Okay. Or just choose and go to move and move top. So now no decryption on the top. If the user from the LAN going to WAN1, WAN2 and they try any financial services, any government shopping website, that the action will be no decrypt. However, the rest of everything will be decrypted. Okay, for this purpose, as I say, you can go to devices, and here we have SSL decryption exclusion. You can choose that one as well, such as WhatsApp is excluded. So you can choose any website here as well. Just give them a name. Suppose if you click on this one, so you will find this is the name, host name, and this is the decryption, okay, description. So you can type exclude here. So what I will say, suppose I want star means anything. So let me choose star.yahoo.com. Okay, I want to exclude this one. So let me choose Yahoo and exclude. So you can type here and let me search if we have Yahoo now. Yes, so the Yahoo is there now. So I exclude this one. So by the way, you can use this one. Commit the changes, and that's it. So this was the decryption policy, how we can create decryption policy, and then we commit the changes. However, if you want to show the response page to the user, so for that you need to go to device response pages, and for the SSL decryption this page, so you need to enable them. Let me show you. But anyway, we don't want to enable. So after the devices, here is response pages, and here is a disable. You see SSL decryption OPT out page. If you want to enable to show the user that your traffic will be decrypted, so you can enable this page to the user. Just click disable and make them enable, and it will show a banner like this before they try to access any website. So the warning will come SSL inspection. Okay, and it will show the IP address and everything. If they want to proceed, so they can click yes. So this is just a banner in case if you want to enable. So we apply the setting, everything is okay. We create two policy. Let me show you those two policy. And if you go to decryption, so on the top we have this policy. Right now there is no heads. In the second one there is heads coming, okay, which is decrypted. Okay, you can see head count. So on the top is this one, and we have this. Then we exclude financial, government and shopping, and also I exclude by URL using the exclusion. That's it. And next video we will verify this one.